Good afternoon, everybody. I hope everybody's doing well. I just wanted to give a little intuition for the fun class. What's going on here? Well, the fun is short for function. Right, what we're kind of doing is we understand that we have three types of methods we're learning. One of them is class methods. So obviously we could, if we just print hello, we could say system.out.print hello, right? But what we're trying to learn though is that kind of this language of making methods work to our advantage, and so we're going to write our own class that actually has the print method in there. So that's what we have here. We have the fun class and it has the print method. And if you notice, it doesn't have a main method in here, right? Because this is a support class. It's kind of like the math class or the system.out class. So again, what it's doing is we do the tester or the runner here, kind of just here's the main method. It says, fun. What it's saying is so fun.print. Well, what does it mean to print this string? Well, we defined it, right? It's going to take in that string. It's going to do system.print str. So there you go. Obviously, I could also write a println method, and you should change it appropriately. And we could overload the method, right? Having another print method. I will give you this little hint to get you on the right track. So, public static void print, and let's say I wanted to print an int because int x, right? I'm actually going to show you that if I tried to just, like normal print method is already kind of overloaded, but if I did fun.print of 5, all right, let's test it. It says, oh, cannot be converted to a string, right? Well, because it's 5 right there is not doing so hot trying to put it into here. So instead, I can overload the method. Again, a very big, important concept in computer science to make our life easier. So we don't have to write a bunch of different methods. We can just write the same method that does similar things with different inputs. System.print and x. Again, it seems like a lot more work, but you can imagine if once we have multiple of these commands, you're really saving a lot of typing, a lot of space. And now let's test it. And there you go. It worked. So hopefully, and then you can overload it. I had to put in overload in any other ways that the portfolio asks. And there you go. God bless.